Okay, today I'm going to teach you guys how to play The Sound of Madness by Shinedown. Pretty easy lick, sounds awesome. You tune it down to a drop D, so basically that means that this low E string is going to be tuned down a whole step to a D. Okay, the lick starts on the 6th fret of the high D string, so you play that 3 times, but it's like, you play it twice, then there's like a pause, and you play it the 3rd time. And then it goes to the 5th fret of the D string, 3rd fret of the D string, 5th fret of the A string. So, and then you bend the 3rd fret on the D string, then you play the 5th fret on the A string again. So it goes, and then the next part is just hitting the low D string here, and the 5th fret on the A string is just like switching between those two. So it goes like this. And you do that little, you do that 5 times each time you do it. So the whole lick slowly is like this. Okay, enjoy the lick, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions or any licks you want to learn, just message me or leave a comment.